Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. In our previous lecture, we studied about the gastrulation, where we come to know that how the formation of three primary germinal layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, takes place. What are the steps during the process of gastrulation? And also we come to know that what is the importance of these three germinal layers, and they gives various kinds of the tissues, various kinds of the organs, and at the end of our last lecture, we discussed about the stem cells, its characteristics, examples, and the application. So in our today's lecture, we are going to start one of the most important mechanism which takes place in the life of woman, that is pregnancy. So what is pregnancy? What are the stages in pregnancy? What are the changes during these stages in a pregnancy in the body of mother, in the body of that fetus? How the hormonal change carried out in this phase that we are going to study in our today's lecture. So let us start with our today's lecture, and the topic for our today's discussion is the pregnancy. What is pregnancy? या ठिकाणी आपल्याला एक डायग्राम दिसते पहा. या डायग्राम मध्ये एका फिमेल बॉडी मध्ये होणारे जे चेंजेस आहेत हे चेंजेस आपल्याला दाखवलेले आहेत. सगळ्यात खाली काय दाखवलेले आहेत? वीक्स दाखवलेले आहेत. 14 वीक टू 38 वीक. So there is changes takes place in the abdomen of this female body, and this abdomen size it goes on increasing as it accommodates the developing fetus inside the uterus of this female body, and this condition of carrying one or more embryos in the uterus, it is called as the pregnancy, or it is also called as the gestation. Pregnancy म्हणजे काय? तर युटेरस मध्ये एक किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्त पण or more embryos which further develops into the fetus. एम्ब्रिओ पुढे जाऊन फीटस मध्ये डेव्हलप होतो, आणि हा एम्ब्रिओ किंवा जो पुढे जाऊन तयार होणारा फीटस आहे तो युटेरस मध्ये कॅरी करण्याची जी कंडिशन आहे, जी स्टेट आहे, त्याला काय बोललं जातं? प्रेग्नन्सी. दी पीरियड ऑफ प्रेग्नन्सी, between the fertilization of egg and up to the release of that fetus from the body of that woman, and that mechanism it is called as the farfulation, that we are going to study separately in our next lectures. So what is the time span for the pregnancy period? The average period of a pregnancy in a human, it lasts for about 266 days from fertilization, or 280 days from last menstrual cycle or menstruation. हे डेज आपल्याला अतिशय महत्त्वाचे आहेत. फर्टिलायझेशन पासून 266 डेज, लास्ट मेन्स्ट्रुएशन पासून 280 डेज, and this time span, that is 266 days or 280 days, they are divided into 3 trimesters of about 3 months each. जो काही कालावधी आहे म्हणजे 266 डेज असेल फ्रॉम दी फर्टिलायझेशन and 280 डेज फ्रॉम दी लास्ट मेन्स्ट्रुएशन, दिस टाइम स्पॅन फॉर द inconvenience it is divided into 3 trimesters of 3 months each. 3 महिन्याची एक अशा 3 ट्रायमेस्टर्स मध्ये आपल्याला हा प्रेग्नन्सीचा जो काही पिरियड आहे तो स्टडी करायचा आहे. दॅट इज इन द फर्स्ट ट्रायमेस्टर, in the second trimester, and in the third trimester, what are the changes takes place in the body of that female that we are going to study in our next discussion. So let us start with the first trimester, and the time span for this first trimester, it is from the fertilization means from fertilization of sperm with that ovum to the 12th week of the development. 12व्या आठवड्यापर्यंत फर्टिलायझेशन पासून 12व्या आठवड्यापर्यंत होणारे चेंजेस. आता हे चेंजेस काय होतात नेमके? there are radial changes in the body of mother as well as in embryo. दोघांच्याही बॉडीमध्ये, मदरच्या बॉडीमध्ये असेल, एम्ब्रियोच्या बॉडीमध्ये. एम्ब्रियो कसा तयार होतो, ज्यावेळेस फर्टिलायझेशन होतं स्पर्म की एगचं, त्यावेळेस तो झायगोट तयार करतो. झायगोटचं क्लिवेज झाल्यानंतर पुढे तो एम्ब्रियो तयार करतो. हे आपण याच्यापूर्वी डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. So there is a changes takes place in the body of both mother as well as in embryo. आता ज्यावेळेस हा एम्ब्रियो डेव्हलप होतो, that embryo it obtains the nourishment directly from the endometrium of uterus of mother. मदरचा जो एंडोमेट्रियम आहे, युटेरसची इनरमोस्ट लाइनिंग आहे, त्याच्यापासून काय करतो एम्ब्रियो, नरिशमेंट जी आहे ती मिळवत असतो. म्हणजे त्याला जे काही ग्रोथसाठी लागणारं मटेरियल आहे तो त्या ठिकाणी ऑब्टेन करत असतो. ड्युरिंग दी 2nd to 4th वीक ऑफ द डेव्हलपमेंट, 2 ते 4 आठवड्यामध्ये एम्ब्रियो काय करतो, एंडोमेट्रियम पासून नरिशमेंट जी आहे ती डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी वापरत असतो. Then further that embryo further develops into the structure it is called as the fetus. Then that fetus develops different body organs during this first trimester. Therefore the process is called as the organogenesis, organ formation process, organogenesis. At the end of 8th week it gains the length of about 3 centimeter and it shows the different adult structures in the rudimentary form, that is in the primary form. 8व्या आठवड्याच्या शेवटपर्यंत काय करतो, त्या ठिकाणी 3 सेंटीमीटर पर्यंत स्ट्रक्चर जे आहे फीटसचं जे आहे ते काय होत असतं, डेव्हलप होत असतं. आता यानंतर एम्ब्रियो जो आहे तो फुल्ली इट डेव्हलप्स इनटू द fetus. Now that embryo it is called as the fetus. So what are the changes in the body of fetus during the first trimester? आपल्याला एक क्वेश्चन, फुल क्वेश्चन देखील विचारला जाऊ शकतो. व्हॉट इज प्रेग्नन्सी, डिस्क्राइब दी डिटेल्स इन प्रेग्नन्सी इन फर्स्ट ट्रायमेस्टर, सेकंड ट्रायमेस्टर अँड थर्ड ट्रायमेस्टर. त्यामध्ये आपल्याला चेंजेस इन दी बॉडी ऑफ फिटस हे देखील आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी मेन्शन करावे लागतील. सो व्हॉट आर दी चेंजेस इन दी बॉडी ऑफ फिटस during the first trimester? There are various changes in relation with the various structures, various body systems, like the development of arms, hands, fingers, feet, toes are fall. Then fetus can open and close mouth and fists. Again, one of the most important system in our body, that is the central nervous system, that is related with our brain, is fully formed. Working of excretory and circulatory system, it starts, it begins, and the movement of fetus begins, but mother cannot feel it. डेव्हलपमेंट फिटसची होते, पण त्या ठिकाणी ज्या मदर आहे त्या मदरला ही डेव्हलपमेंट जी आहे ती फील होत नाही. हियर द हार्टबीट कॅन बी हिअर्ड फ्रॉम द 6th वीक. ज्या हार्टबीट डेव्हलप होतील त्या 6व्या आठवड्यानंतर त्या ठिकाणी फील होण्यासाठी, समजण्यासाठी त्या ठिकाणी सुरू होतील. सो दीज आर दी व्हेरियस चेंजेस टेक्स प्लेस इन दी बॉडी ऑफ फिटस ड्युरिंग दी first trimester. Again there are various changes, again it is related with the mother also. In the body of a mother there is rapid changes, and these rapid changes due to the high level of progesterone and human chorionic gonadotropin. These are the hormones. हे दोन महत्त्वाचे आहेत. हा फिमेल प्रेग्नन्सी मेंटेन करणारा हार्मोन आहे प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, याची लेवल हाय होते, आणि त्याच वेळेस HCG ह्युमन कोरियोनिक गोनाडोट्रोपिन याची देखील लेवल जी आहे ती हाय होते, आणि त्यामुळे मदरच्या बॉडीमध्ये जे आहेत ते चेंजेस जे आहेत ते रॅपिड फास्ट अमाउंट मध्ये सुरू होतात. कसे होतात पहा चेंजेस? इन द युटेरस, that uterus becomes larger and development of a placenta starts. Placenta means the connection between the developing fetus and the mother, which gives the various kinds of the features to the developing mothers, as the various ways like the excretory, like the nutritive, like the respiratory, that we are going to study in separate point, that is the placenta, its structure and importance in the development of fetus. So the uterus becomes larger and the development of placenta starts, And the most important part, during the time of pregnancy, the ovulation and menstrual cycle, it stops temporarily. थोड्या कालावधीसाठी ओव्ह्युलेशन असेल आणि मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल असेल हे त्या ठिकाणी त्या फिमेल बॉडीमध्ये स्टॉप होतं टेम्पररीली. ड्युरिंग दिस पिरियड that mother experiences morning sickness, for example the nausea, vomiting and mood swings. So morning sickness also appears in that mother, and at the end of this first trimester, that fetus, it is about having the size of 7 to 10 centimeter long. During this period, human chorionic gonadotropin, human placental lactogen, then relaxin hormone are produced in the woman only during the process of pregnancy. So these are the various changes takes place in the first trimester. Let us move towards the second. In the second trimester, the time period for second trimester is from 13th to 26th week. Here that fetus becomes active during this period. Its size grows about 30 centimeter in length. Then the mother's uterus grows to accommodate the growing baby. During this second trimester, the stabilization of hormones and HCG hormone level, it declines. Here, during the growth of that fetus, the placenta fully develops and placenta takes the complete function of secretion of progesterone and also the nourishment of fetus. प्लासेंटा प्रोजेस्टेरॉन हार्मोन सिक्रेट करतो आणि त्याच वेळेस त्या पर्टिक्युलर फिटसला डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी नरिशमेंटसाठी लागणारा सर्व मटेरियल जे आहे ते त्या ठिकाणी प्रोव्हाइड करण्याचं काम करत असतो. ॲट दिस टाइम इन सेकंड ट्रायमेस्टर the structure, the source of progesterone, that is the corpus luteum present in the ovary, it degenerates or it destroys. So these are the various changes in the second trimester, and the 30 centimeter length having fetus during this second trimester, time of ultrasound sonography at the 8th to 20th week, it shows baby's growth and its position, and during this period it is estimated the date of delivery by the ultrasound sonography. During this second trimester, the baby's movement जी आपल्याला पर्टिक्युलर फर्स्ट ट्रायमेस्टर मध्ये त्या ठिकाणी जाणवत नव्हती, त्या ठिकाणी काय होते, इट रिअलाइज्ड बाय द मदर. What are the changes in the body of fetus? Here, the development of head with the hairs, then the development of eyebrows, eyelashes appears, and pinny of ear also appearance in the distinct form. Then again, the development of brain starts. Body reaches half the size of the newborn. So these are the various changes takes place in the second trimester during the fetal development. Let us move towards the third trimester, that is the final trimester from the 27th week to parturition time, that is the delivery time, that the expulsion of that fetus outside the mother's uterus takes place. So it is the final 3 months of pregnancy, where the fetus grows about 50 centimeter in length, weight is about 3 to 4 kg, and here at this time the uterus fully expands, abdominal organs compressed and displaced, causing the discomfort to the mother. During this third trimester, there is frequent urination, then digestive blockages and strain in the back muscles are common problems in full term pregnant woman during the third trimester of the pregnancy. So these are the various stages or the pregnancy. It is divided into the 3 trimesters for convenient, into the first, second and third trimester, and various changes takes place in the body of mother. So all about today's lecture. In our next lecture we are going to start with the one of the most important feature, that is the development of placenta, its dimensions, structure of placenta, the mechanism of blood supply in the placenta, and the role of placenta as a nutritive, respiratory and excretory organ. So thank you.